Okay, let's look at second person. Second person. So talking about someone's point of view, what they see, do and hear, what that person does, what that person sees, what that person hears. Talking from their point of view. So second person. I'm the first, they're the second. So we use it to talk about other people, someone else, whether close or not, whether here or far away. Yeah. So you, singular, and you, plural, 2+, so you. Nice. So you need to listen. You need to stop. You need to dance. You need to pay. You over there, can you hear me? Can you hear me? He's far away. You're close. This one's close. That one's far away as well. So you have made a mess. You have made a mess. What are you doing? What are you doing? You have made a mess. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You, each and every one of you, each and every one of you need to listen, need to pay attention, need to learn this. Each and every one of you, all of you, 100% need to listen. Listen to this, to what I'm saying. You need to learn. You, each and every one of you, need to learn. To learn. You didn't need to do that. You did not need to do that. You need to do that. You need to do that. You need to listen to me. You need to learn this. You need to pay attention. You need to take notes. Write this down. Write down what I say. You all are students. You all, 100% all, are students. You all are explorers, are language explorers. Are language explorers. Language explorers. How cool is that? You need to learn, you need to listen. How cool. So, second person, talking about someone else's point of view. That person needs to listen. You need to listen. You need to talk. You need to walk. You need to learn. We use it to talk about other people, whether close or near. So you, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So again, you singular, and you plural. So you all, or you. What are you doing? All them people, all those people, what are they doing? What are you doing? How cool is that? How cool is that? Yeah. 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 How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.